You know what's going on, man. We in B-Raw Sounds, you know what I'm saying? Best studio in motherfucking Southwest Ohio. Feel me? Finna be everywhere though. You feel me? We gonna blow it with it. My boy about to leave Atlanta, so make sure y'all tune in. Work, you feel me? Network. Let's get this shit popping. You know what's going on? FatMigo.
They know where we at, man. We had more than a couple more barbershops in the city. Fucking with the best barber in the city, Tony. You know, I don't talk, I do.
Blood on them weapons. Gotta watch out for these niggas, they too desperate. Reckless. I lost my cousin in my possession. That shit had me taking perks like it was aspirin. I get it. Yeah, my life fantastic. I done fucked the top Instagram bitch just off rapping. Same time as murder, they charge Rollo for trafficking. And the way I put this shit on, they dig is a mannequin. It's not.
Damn, me and Callie, yeah, that's like a pick and roll. Callie, what the fuck you doing, bro? You said we going back and forth. Why the fuck is you not in here? Come on, bro. Let me redo that. I gotta come out harder than that, yeah. Me and Callie, yeah, that's like a pick and roll. Bitch, pull up to the spot, you know it's give and go. Yeah. Bird, diamond freezing, yeah, just like that winter coat. You can't even stay out that motherfucker. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, Sosa got a bar. Yeah, so he got a bar. Sosa got a bar. Yeah, he gonna hop on there with us. He got it. Go. Yeah, now we hop.
No. You have to come back in for one more bar.
That's what I was. Because we was gonna hop Sosa in now.
Yeah, no. Sosa's gonna come in after this.
And then we all can do the three. Yeah, I gotta finish that.
Then you came back in, so he's to finish it.
And then Sosa.
Right, yeah, I'm gonna come in. I'm gonna get this shit together.
Okay, yeah, B-Roll, look, yeah. He know what to fucking do. That's why he the man. I know what the fuck it is. That's why he the man with the plan, no cap. B-Roll know what the fuck to do. I said it in one of my songs. That's at 400,000 views right now. When it cold.
Man, count racks. This shit getting old.
Yeah, that's it. Way more confident though, but that's it.
Man, I've been counting racks. This shit getting old.
Bitch. Bitch, pull up on your Dosa. No, I got them pins.
I know that. Bitch, when I creep. Racks when I jump out the G. Bitch, I'ma whoop you a sheet. I like my rackies run neat. I keep them baggies real neat. I got a chopper on me. Opposite stop, they see me. Nigga, your babies, they mamas on me. Call me a chop at your teeth. Send me up to the sun. Niggas broke as fuck, can't afford no guns. Tried to walk down, made a fuck nigga run. Niggas talking high, tell me spits we spawn. I ain't had no Glock, went and got me one. I ain't had no whip, went and got me one. Niggas old as fuck, can't buy no Glock. Big ass trap on the corner of the block. Nigga reached out, tried to run and got shot. Niggas ain't acting tough, I could get that drop. Nigga treat that bitch bad, she gon' get that up. Nigga, soon as you leave, bet you get that up.
Bro, she got heads up, just call him John Wick. On that. Yeah, I'm grinding. I'm a young nigga.
This little bitch think my lifestyle lavish. Told her I wanna fuck cause she ragged. 21 shots that I think that I'm savage. Hit him in the head, turn his ass into cabbage. Toss
the unity, the homie shit, go fuck with him, unity closer. But other than that, baby drip, this I thought.
I'm the type nigga had the shot and just pass it. You the type of nigga that be out here just capping.
What even made you start rapping?
My nigga been rapping since I was a little, you know what I mean? Yeah.
You know, it's Hamilton shit, we rocking with our Hamilton. You know, you've been at the longevity, man. You've been one of the longest studios niggas in Hamilton, for sure.
That's no cap, man. I do this shit. You guys wanna know how? I'm dedicated. Motherfuckers give up after one slow month.
I be talking to the streets like this my poetry. When I was down bad broke, they ain't noticed me. I be chillin', but just know it ain't no hole in me. My head so fucked up fighting demons, I can't go to sleep. It ain't no innocence, ain't no such thing as you innocent. So act a witness, don't leave evidence. And stay low but stack them precedents. We just a product of the streets we living in. Yeah, they wouldn't know how they be acting, you was still alive. And they gon' tell you that they love you, but don't even try. And it's crazy, wanna be famous, damn near gotta die. And please don't bring around no fake love, it match with my mind.
He was slumped in this bitch.
Are you ready? You think you could tell us what to do? You think you could tell us what to wear? You think that you're better? Well, you better get ready. Bow to the masters.